Concurrent Technologies Corporation is an independent, nonprofit, applied scientific research and development professional services organization. Together with our technology transition affiliate, Enterprise Ventures Corporation, we leverage research, development, test, and evaluation work to provide transformative, full lifecycle solutions. With more than 400,000 square feet of office, laboratory, and high bay space, our facilities are ideal for developing and demonstrating advanced manufacturing technologies and fabricating large-scale prototype structures. Our engineers have in-depth experience in materials design, analysis, rapid prototyping, testing, and manufacturing. We offer 3D CAD, finite element analysis, inspection and quality control, and product and process simulation services. Our metrology team uses CMM, ferroarm with laser scanning, and optical comparator technologies. Manual and CNC machining centers to 120 inches, manual and CNC turning, surface grinders, and wire EDM are used for system fabrication. Fabrication capabilities include all major arc welding processes, resistance preheating, electroslag surfacing, plasma cutting, gouging, and friction stir welding. With expertise in metal additive manufacturing, we provide powder and substrate characterization, surface profile preparation, material application, post-processing, final machining, and inspection. Using hybrid additive manufacturing, we repair damaged or worn parts and surfaces, as well as add geometry or features to an existing part. We work with titanium, aluminum, tantalum, cobalt chromium, nickel, copper, Inconel, tool steel, and stainless steel. We have experience with all phases of plating and coating processes for systems as small as a postage stamp to as large as a military vehicle. We provide corrosion prevention solutions to help estimate component service life, compare materials performance, or determine material condition. We provide bearing corrosion, strength, compression, impact, fracture, dynamic tear, tension, ductility, formability, bend, and flexure testing services. Our lab provides chemical analysis, corrosion testing and characterization, material compatibility testing, physical property testing, and test method development. Our innovative solutions safeguard national security, retain U.S. technological advantage, and ensure the primacy of American manufacturing. To use our experience to your advantage, contact us today.